Welcome to part 3 of Welcome to American Idol. Here comes contestant number 1.
Hello. I'm gonna sing the quick song. Hello, goodbye. That song is over.
You made it. Nope.
I made it! I made it to Hollywood.
We need a doctor. She okay? I think we need a doctor. I'm a doctor. She's okay. It's just that she's fainted. I'll just drag her over to the Hollywood spot. That was weird. And here's our next contestant. Hello, what are you gonna sing? I'm gonna sing the farting song, okay? Okay. You made it? Yep. Nope. Wait, no. Nope. Nope. Why can't I have a good voice? Let's bring in our last contestant. Hello, I'm going to sing a song from my album Rhinoceros Eye. I'm going to sing the dumb song. Dum da dum da dum da dum. You made it? Yep. Okay, we have room for one more. Here it comes. Hello, you're our first contestant to be the fourth person. Yahoo! Okay, what are you gonna sing? I'm gonna sing SpongeBob SquarePants theme song. Okay. Are you ready, kids? Aye, Captain. I can't hear you. Aye, Captain. Oh, listen up, pineapple under the sea. SpongeBob SquarePants. Really are close to see. SpongeBob SquarePants. Not a enough to see something you wish. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. Wow, that was a pretty good voice. Yep, you made it. Dude, you made it. Yahoo! I made it! Bye-bye. We'll see you next time on Webkinz American